Spring cleaning your gut. Detox, balance, and thrive. Spring is all about renewal, not just your home, but your body too. Your gut, liver, immune system, and hormones work together to keep you energized, resilient, and balanced. Over time, toxins, stress, poor dietary choices can overload these systems, leading to sluggish digestion, hormone imbalances, and weakened immune system. That's why we're discussing this today. If you're feeling bloated, fatigued, or just off, it's time for a gentle spring cleaning from the inside out. And I'm all about gentle. If you know anything about my recommendations, I never recommend anything harsh because that can create more gut microbiome imbalance. So in here, you will cover gentle liver detox to enhance your natural detox pathways, gut health reset to refresh digestion and microbial balance, immune system support for optimum defense, and hormone balancing for steady energy and mood. Let's dive in. 1. Gentle liver detox for a fresh start. The liver is your body's main detox organ, responsible for processing toxins, metabolizing hormones, and keeping digestion running smoothly. When your liver is overburdened, toxins can build up, leading to sluggishness, hormonal imbalances, and digestive distress. Signs your liver needs support: frequent bloating, indigestion, or nausea. Sometimes, of course, nausea can be because of some kind of infection, or just liver needs support. Then we have skin issues, acne, eczema, rashes. We have fatigue and brain fog. Hormone imbalances like PMS, irregular cycles, or estrogen dominance can also be rooted to liver needed help. Ways to support the liver: supportive foods. Eat cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, beets, and leafy greens to boost liver enzymes. Hydration tip: start your day with warm lemon water to stimulate the bile flow and digestion. Liver loving herbs: milk thistle, dandelion root, turmeric, they all enhance detoxification. Reduce toxin exposure. Limit alcohol, processed foods, environmental toxins, plastics, pesticides, and artificial fragrances. Number 2, gut health reset. Spring clean your microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of microbes that influence digestion, metabolism, and even mood. Poor diet, stress, and medications like antibiotics, NSAIDs, Motrin can disrupt your gut microbiome, leading to inflammation and digestion issues, digestive discomfort. Signs your gut needs a reset: bloating, gas, irregular bowel movements, food sensitivities, frequent heartburn, low energy, and mood swings. Frequent sugar cravings too, and difficulty losing the weight. Ways to support your gut: 1. Eliminate inflammatory foods, remove gluten, processed sugar, and alcohol. Start with 7 to 14 days as a good start. Prebiotics and probiotics boost. Eat fiber-rich foods, onions, garlic, bananas, green bananas best, in small quantities. Remember what I usually say about bananas. And fermented foods, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, to find good bacteria, to feed that good bacteria. Try a 3-day gut reset. Stick to bone broth, lightly steamed veggies, and easy to digest proteins. And supplement wisely. Take digestive enzymes, L-glutamine, high quality probiotics to repair gut lining. My line is fantastic for that quick reset. Number 3, immune system support. Your gut is the first line of defense. Did you know that over 70% of your immune system resides in the gut? If your gut is inflamed, your immune system can be weakened and making you more susceptible to seasonal allergies, colds, and infections. Signs your immune system needs a boost: frequent colds, infections, seasonal allergies, sinus congestion, poor wound healing, and skin inflammation, autoimmune flare-ups. Ways to strengthen your immunity: immune boosting nutrients, get plenty of vitamin C, zinc, quercetin from citrus fruit, red bell peppers, leafy greens, adaptogenic herbs, ashwagandha, reishi, and astragalus help modulate the immune system response and reduce stress. Prioritize gut health. Since 70% or more of your immunity is in your gut, a strong microbiome is the key. Consume probiotic rich foods and fiber daily. Get quality sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation raises cortisol levels and weakens immune system. So aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Number 4, hormone balancing for a fresh season. Balanced hormones, essential for steady energy, good mood, restful sleep, and healthy metabolism. Your liver plays a huge role in metabolizing and detoxifying hormones, especially estrogen. When detox pathways are sluggish, hormone imbalances can occur. Signs your hormones need support: PMS, irregular cycles, heavy periods, mood swings, anxiety, low libido, fatigue, weight gain, sugar cravings, sleep disturbances, and night sweats. The ways to support your hormone balance: support estrogen detox. Eat fiber-rich foods like flaxseed, chia seeds, cruciferous vegetables to help eliminate excess estrogen. Reduce xenoestrogen, so avoid plastic food containers, conventional dairy, and hormone-disrupting chemicals found in personal care products. Magnesium for hormone health, fantastic. Leafy greens, avocado, nuts provide a lot of magnesium, but often it's not enough, and we often need a good supplement. I break down all different magnesiums in another video. I can share a link if you drop a comment, which helps with PMS and hormone regulation. Consider key supplement DIM, often helps if there is an issue with estrogen and toxicity in the liver. And sulforaphane, that's great for most people. It supports estrogen metabolism and hormone balance. So it's time for a fresh start. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your body, boost your energy, and restore balance. By supporting your liver, gut, immune system, and hormones, you'll set yourself up for better digestion, stronger immunity, and overall vitality we all need at this time of the year. So take action. Try these tips for the next 7 to 14 days and notice how you feel. Let me know, drop a comment. And if you're looking for a deeper gut and hormone reset, join my functional medicine program. Comment and we'll contact you if you're looking to be a client or if you're looking to be a student. We do all that here at Digestive Reset and Melamed Institute. Share your thoughts and comments. And this is Dr. Ina with you at Digestive Reset and Melamed Institute. And until the next time.